So if y'all don't know, we recently just went through a hurricane. I think it was like Ian or something like that. And there's a couple times we were driving our truck through some areas, and you know, you want to get people's attention. Get these strobe lights. Check this out. This is a pretty thorough kit. Comes with the suction cups. It's that style. And these are pretty easy to use. You actually mount, and we'll do that right now. Actually, you mount these suction cups. To these tabs. And then where your sun visors are, okay, you mount this up to the windshield. And then what this does is it blocks it out so that you're not seeing the light and blinding yourself in the vehicle, but it allows the light to go through. It then comes with a standard cigarette light adapter with a power button and then a mode button. And what are these? The double-sided sticky tape. I haven't seen this before. That's pretty cool. So you can put this on the suction cup so that if the suction cup fails, you've got double-sided sticky tape as sort of an added security, backup, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of the suction cups installed. I'll put this in the windshield, and then when it gets darker, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I have them in behind the visors, and if you look, right, still pretty sunny out. There you go, you can see, nice and bright. I'll get far away. You can see they're nice and bright even with the sun still being out. So we'll go ahead and we'll follow up once it's dark. Also, before we get any darker, you can see them installed, and what you do is you can just flip those down to block it, but they actually can fit up there pretty tight. And then on these ones to change, there's an on-off button and then a selector, and you just push the selector, change the pattern, solid, blinky left, and all right, all that good fun stuff. Pretty easy to change. All right, so here it is. Dawn, dusk, whatever. See, pretty bright. Headlights lighting up the ground, but definitely can see the flashing emergency lights, so pretty cool. All right, so here we are at night, and the camera is in the mode where it doesn't try to amplify light. So you can see pretty darn bright. We'll switch over to here, and you can see it is flooding the camera, which is pretty awesome. Definitely gonna get somebody's attention. So enjoy, definitely check them out. They're easy to use. Suction cups, all the good stuff, everything you need in one kit.